Manipur police successfully rescued a kidnapped medical officer Dr. K.H. Navakeshwar, who was abducted from the Lang Thabal Kunja Awang Lekai on the morning of November 22. The kidnappers had demanded a ransom and issued threats against the victim's life if the demands were not met. Acting on the intelligence inputs, the police tracked the victim to a farmhouse in the Lamdeng under Lamsang police station. The rescue operations conducted on November 24, 2024 led to the arrest of 4 individuals: Wahengbam Ramananda, alias Rauso or Luangamba, reportedly linked to the KCP MC Lalumba; Wahengbam Usarani, alias Biari or Abem; Nauraibam Joy Sankar, aged 39; Lai Chombam Bipin Singh, aged 32, from the suspect possessions. Law enforcement recovered a 7.65 mm pistol with a magazine, a .32 mm pistol with a magazine, 10 live rounds of the .32 caliber ammunition. Subsequently, on the November 26, 2004, another suspect, Paunam Samungao, alias Pintu, was apprehended. A follow-up search at the residence of the Ramananda reveals a significant catch of arms, ammunition, and suspect narcotics, including 3 pistols, 1 loaded with 3 rounds of 9 mm ammunition, revolvers and 2 carbine magazines, 28 rounds of the 7.65 mm ammunition, and 1 round of the 7.62 mm ammunition, 4 detonators, and .22 rifles with a magazine. 8 soap caps suspected to contain heroin's number 4. Authorities are continuing investigating to identify and apprehend other individuals involved in the case. Manipur police have reiterated their commitments to public safety and urge citizens to report any suspicious activities to ensure a secure environment.